Good morning, all of you. A very happy Republic Day to everyone. For all of us in India, it is an incredibly important day as today is Republic Day. The 26th of January, many years ago, saw the adoption of our nation's constitution, a set of laws designed to ensure that all citizens coexist peacefully and fairly. Republic Day serves as a day to commemorate the unique qualities of our nation and is not just about parades and flag raising. Every one of you is a distinct flower in this garden, which is India. What makes India special is the diverse languages, attire, cuisine, and festivals that is unique to each state. Just as in a game where we follow the rules, our nation abides by the constitution to ensure that everyone is treated fairly and kindly. Let's also honor our valiant soldiers who defend our nation and keep us safe. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
You know what we are celebrating today? क्या celebrate कर रहे हैं आज हम? Republic Day. Republic Day. This year we are celebrating 75th because it is official. So क्या है Republic Day? Heaven can stand. क्या है Republic Day? What is the difference between Republic Day and Independence Day? किसी को पता है? On Independence Day, we got freedom from Britishers. Britishers हमारे ऊपर रूल करते थे और 1947 में हमें ब्रिटिशर्स से freedom मिली थी. That's why we celebrate 15th August as our Independence Day every year. ठीक है? But अभी हमें आजादी तो मिल गई. आजादी मिल गई तो कोई भी कुछ भी करेगा? कोई भी कुछ भी करेगा? No. We have to be a responsible citizen, disciplined person. So for that कुछ rules regulations बनाने पड़ते हैं ना? जैसे आप ये स्कूल आते हो तो कोई rules regulation नहीं होते. कोई कभी भी आ रहा है, कभी भी खा रहा है, कभी भी पढ़ रहा है, कभी भी डांस कर रहा है, तो वो स्कूल होता क्या? No. होता ना? In the same way, for running our country, there were certain rules and regulations made जिसको हम बोलते हैं Constitution. हिंदी में बोलते हैं संविधान. Okay? And who has written our Constitution? ठीक है students? Bhimrao Ambedkar. He has written our Constitution. Okay? तो Constitution में सारे laws हैं हमारी country से related और ये Constitution 26 जनवरी 1950 को लिखा गया था और इम्प्लाई किया गया था. That's why we celebrate 26 January every year as our Republic Day. So now you know what is the difference between Independence Day and Republic Day? Yes. Okay. Now all of you have prepared some programs. Yes. Are you excited? See one by one. Performance of each class. Junior KG. Junior KG students are standing here. So they are performing one dance drill.
You're a good soldier, choosing your battle. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you fold it up, oh, oh, and if you This is Africa. Samina, mina, waka, waka, Samina, mina, sakarewa. This time for Africa. Listen to your God, this is our motto. Your time to shine, don't wait in line, y vamos por todo. People are raising their expectations. Go on and feed them, this is your moment, no hesitation. Today's your day, feel it. You pave the way, believe it. If you get down, get up, oh, oh. When you get down, get up, hey, hey. Samina, mina, sangalewa. This time for Africa. Samina, mina, waka, waka, Samina, mina, sangalewa. Anawa, Samina, mina, waka, waka, Samina, mina, sangalewa. This time for Africa.
I'm well on my journey, biggie, biggie mama, 1 A to Z. My sister's all on my journey, biggie, biggie mama, from east to west. My city, waka, waka, my waka, waka, my Sangin' sister, my Zibu, yeah. Cause this is Africa.
Samina, mina, anawa, Samina, mina, Samina, mina, anawa,
Samina, mina, waka, waka, Samina, mina, sangalewa. Anawa, Samina, mina, waka, waka, Samina, mina, sangalewa. This time for Africa. Jungle, jungle, Samina, mina, sangalewa. Anawa, jungle, jungle, Samina, mina, sangalewa. Anawa, this time for Africa. This time for Africa. We're all Africa. We're all Africa.
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। सच्ची मैंने जान गवाई है, नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है। अखियों की नींद मैंने फूकों से उड़ा दी, गिन गिन तारे मैंने उंगली जलाई है।
आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले, आजा सारी वाले नीले आसमान के तले। Chopin, come with it, come with it, melody. Ahora conmigo, tú baila para hoy, porque este día te olvidas más problemas, lo que sea. Salud, baila, baila.
अपना है दिन ये आज का, दुनिया से जाके बोल दो, ऐसे जागो रे साथियों, दुनिया की आंखें खोल दो, लहरा दो, सरकशी गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमीं का परचम लहरा दो, सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो, गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमीं हाथ धर के परचम लहरा दो, लहरा दो, लहरा दो, सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो.